This video is a continuation of a series about the office desk setup, concentrating on additional lighting. I will show you two lights that I have installed recently. I am impressed with both of them and would highly recommend them to anyone seeking a relatively inexpensive lighting setup. This is a ring light, which is important nowadays, especially when a lot of business is conducted via video meetings. So I picked up this relatively inexpensive kit. It's an 8-inch USB-powered ring light by AFI. It has 72 LEDs inside, which can cycle through 3 color temperature modes: cool white, warm white, and warm yellow, each with 10 levels of brightness. This kit does come with a stand, which extends from 14 up to 55 inches tall, plus it also has a phone clamp which can be mounted to the stand for a selfie mode. In my case, I am using just the light and the adjustable mount. The rest of the goodies are definitely good to have just in case, depending on your needs. To get the light semi-permanently installed behind the monitor, I am using a trick I saw somebody do by mounting the light to the camera mount, but instead I'm using the monitor arm as the mounting point. I removed the plug at the top of the arm and filed it down until it became smooth and level. I did the same thing with the ring light mounting bracket. Once they were both flat, I used a strong glue to bond them and let them dry for 24 hours. Once the glue was cured, I installed the ring light to the new contraption and placed the plug in its normal position. The 360-degree rotating pan head allows me to fine-tune the light direction depending on whether I use it while I'm sitting down or standing up. After the light is installed, I ran the wires to keep them out of the way and secured the light switch to the base of the monitor arm using the double-sided tape. This way I can adjust the lighting with ease on the fly. Here's how it works and what it looks like. Camera is right in front of me, the light is to the left of me. Let's turn it on. Alright, here's the light. We can adjust it, different settings. Let's go with that. So really I'm able to adjust whatever I want. I like that this side of my face is lit up. I can zoom in. I really like this light. The second light is a light bar type reading lamp by Quntis. I discovered this light while I was looking for inexpensive alternatives to BenQ setup, which is considered to be the market leader for these kind of lights. So this light gets mounted directly to the monitor using a similar clamp that comes with most webcams. It hugs the top of the screen and hovers on top like a counterbalance. This light bar has 84 total LEDs with 42 dedicated to cool white and 42 to warm colors. And just like the ring light, it allows you to cycle through 3 temperature modes and 10 brightness levels for each. Prior to using the light bar, I used the regular desk lamp, but just look at the difference. With this new light, I can read and write on any surface across the whole desk instead of concentrating on the small lit up space. Now I frequently use this reading bar as the only light source in the whole room. Quntis claims the lifespan of this light at 40,000 hours, which translates to 5,000 days at 8 hours of daily use. That's over 13.5 years of work without days off, or almost 20 years if you don't turn them on weekends. The only concern I had was that some of these light bars are not recommended for use with curved monitors, but I took a chance and decided to see how it would work. And as you can see, there are 0 issues with glare on the screen. With a wide monitor, the light is narrow enough to mount towards one side of the monitor, allowing space for the camera to still be somewhat centered. So here you go, Two great products that are very close to the benchmark set by the market leaders, but at a fraction of a cost. I'll link both of these in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all on the flip side.